What's up, guys? Starting the video tonight, probably won't finish until tomorrow, but basically what is going on, two things I need to address. One, hopefully going to fix my air leaks. Finally, you see how this is, it's been parked for like 20 minutes. And you can tell this side's significantly lower. This side leaks more than that side too, but I'm just full of leaks, you know? Because I also got a leaky valve cover. I did not do the half moons when I did it. So I think that could be my culprit. But also this part right here isn't sitting as flush. And right here you can tell it's not sitting flush. So I've also determined that the valve cover could also be warped. Since the M54 and 52s are plastic valve covers, they do warp over time with heat and cycles and everything like that. The M56, which also comes in the E46, it's the low emissions or whatever bullshit. It's got an aluminum valve cover. It's also got the CCV built into the actual valve cover, so that's a good upgrade that people do to kind of avoid the hassles with this bullshit or whatever. So that's eventually going to come when I do the M50 manifold, so that I can also delete the CCV that's on here, delete this all that bullshit I don't need. So not worried about it right now. But my friend Bert does have the valve cover that I need, since he's got the M56 on his car. He's got the M54 manifold from when his car was stock. So I'm gonna go pick that up from him tonight. But right now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is prep this so that tomorrow I can just basically swap it out, or even tonight just pick up, get the new one, place it, RTV, what I need to, and all of that. I'm also gonna put the car on jack stands so that I can get to the airlines and stuff when I need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and tripod you guys. This might also come in handy being higher up, so. Alright, none of the coil packs are oily, and I don't see any oil in the spark plug tubes, so I'm assuming the gasket for the tubes was fine. So I'm going to start removing all this. There's a ground cable here for the harness. This is all going to be an 8. There's the ground cable stuff. Alright, so that's where I'm ending the video tonight. I will be back tomorrow, maybe even tonight actually, depending if I feel like doing this. It's hot, so I'm probably going to let it cool down until the morning. But everything's undone, so all I gotta do is remove all the nuts or whatever they are, pull out the valve cover, put the gasket in the new one, seal it with the half moons, put it back together, done. And then I'll move on to the bags tomorrow as well, so I'll be back. All right, so it's still nighttime. Yeah, I did grab the valve cover from Bert. it's literally got like less than 2,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna reuse it. Get our TV. Okay, so these need to be tightened from the inside out. So I'm gonna go here, 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 here. Basically, I'm gonna go in a star out. Alright, so that's pretty much where I'm gonna end the video. As you can see, everything is tightened. Looks like it sits a bit better, but probably not. Either way, I've got the RTV now, so once that dries, shouldn't have any more leaks. Go ahead and clean this up and put it all back together. Probably don't work on my bags tonight, so whatever. Ideally drive with them and they give me issues, but it is what it is. The valve cover was way more important. So that's why I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks again for watching. Not much of a how-to video, more just me fixing what I broke. So thanks again. Likes, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. See you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the streets, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they gone.